Yeah, and I've been moving up. I've been moving up. You've been catching me on my grind. Skaters taking up all my time, but I've been getting closer, just a little bit closer. Say you can't find me no more. Starting fading when I get bold. Said I must be getting older, just a little bit older. So tell me what you want from me. Said it won't take long. Making moves till I get free. Across lines we've drawn. Yeah, and I've been moving up. I've been moving up. It's never really been a phase. I struggle with the last to play, but I've been coming up, and you can watch me come up. So let me spell it out real clear. Keep chasing even when it's near. Yeah, we never give up, and I know that it's tough, but tell me what you want to see, even if it takes long, 'cause you can make these moves